Measure 1 cup of basmati rice. Wash it with tap water to remove all the starch. This way you get a fluffy, less sticky outcome. Remove the starchy water and wash again. Wash until all the water stays clear. Usually after the second wash it will be good to cook. As you can see, the water is becoming less starchy than the first wash. I am washing for the third time. Now you can see the water is clear. It shows the rice is good to cook. In the pot, add 2 cups of hot water and salt. Stir so that the salt gets everywhere. On high heat, let it boil for 5 minutes. Don't touch the rice. Then lower heat and let it simmer for 15–20 minutes. Make sure to close lid and open a little because of the pressure that builds inside. It can cause the water to spill. Now the rice is ready. It is fluffy as desired. Enjoy!